Good evening and thank you for joining us on ERi-TV. This is English News Broadcast live from the headquarters in Asmara at 10:30 p.m. local time. Today is Thursday, 16th of March, 2023. First, the top stories. Banatom factory contributing in employment opportunity. Potable water project in Devri at the Hannes. Russia vows to respond proportionately to U.S. provocations. Tons of uranium gone missing from Libya site. Lieutenant Colonel Tekke Weldu, manager of Banatom Tomato Processing Factory, reported that the factory is significantly contributing in creating employment opportunity and supply of tomato paste to various institutions, indicating that most of the tomato paste produced at the factory is made to satisfy the demands of colleges, the National Service Training Center, as well as other institutions. Lieutenant Colonel Tekke said that the factory has also the capacity to satisfy the local markets. He further noted that the factory has created employment opportunity to a number of residents in the area and is actively working in producing skilled manpower. Lieutenant Colonel Tekke also commended the residents of the area for their contribution in ensuring the safety of the factory, pointing out that adequate skill and experience has been gained to properly manage the factory. The experts working at the factory expressed readiness to actively work for the development of the factory. A new potable water project is being put in place in Devri administrative area, Logo Ansaba subzone, in cooperation with the residents' water development department as well as members of the defense force. The managing director of the administrative area, Mr. Eyob Takhlamaram, said that the objective of the project is to ensure water supply for humans and livestock as well as for the development of irrigation, vegetable farming. Mr. Eyob went on to say that the dams have been built previously are significantly contributing in the vegetables farming and that the new project will have additional inputs. Mr. Iyasu Haile, head of projects in the subzone, on his part said that the project includes digging water holes, installation of 5-kilometer water pipeline, putting in place solar system as well as construction of 4 water distribution centers. Mr. Abraham Hagos, administrator of the Logo Ansaba subzone, also called on the other administrative areas to follow the noble example of the residents of the administrative area. Staff members of the Eritrean police headquarters have voluntarily donated 50 units of blood on 15th March with the objective to enrich blood supply of the National Blood Transfusion Service, indicating that the voluntary blood donation by the Eritrean police is in continuation of the regular donation they have been making. Mr. Takhla Habtom, chairman of the voluntary blood donors at the office, said that with the developed awareness of members, the number of donors is increasing. Mr. Gabra Hannes Gabratinsae, member of the promotion and organization of the National Voluntary Blood Donors Association, said that the regular initiative of the members of the Eritrean policy has high regard by the National Blood Transfusion Service and the National Association. According to documents from the National Voluntary Blood Donor Association, last year the staff members of the Eritrean police headquarters contributed over 100 units of blood. International news follows after a short break. Stay tuned. Intensified spying by American drones near Ukraine could lead to an escalating, and Russia will respond proportionally to future intelligence gathering operations. Moscow's defense chief has told his U.S. counterpart. The comment came in a phone conversation yesterday between Sergei Shoigu and Pentagon boss Lloyd Austin after the United States accused a Russian Su-27 fighter jet of colliding with one of its Reaper surveillance drones, forcing it to crash into the Black Sea. It was noted that flight by American strategic lethal drone by the Crimea coastline were provocative in nature and create preconditions for an escalating of the situation in the Black Sea zone. A defense ministry statement quoted Shoigu as saying Russia has no interest in such development, but it will continue to respond proportionately to all provocations. It was the first such military incident between Moscow and Washington since the onset of Russia-Ukraine war in February 2022. Two and a half tons of uranium have gone missing from a site in Libya. This is according to UN's nuclear watchdog. The International Atomic Energy Agency sounded the alarm after a visit by its inspectors to the undisclosed site earlier this week. They found that 10 drums containing uranium ore had disappeared. The agency also said there are fears the uranium could pose a radiological risk as well as nuclear security concerns. The agency said that the site where the uranium was stored was not in government-controlled territory. In a statement, the organization told that it would conduct further activity to clarify the circumstance of the removal of the nuclear material and its current location. It's unclear when the uranium went missing or who could have taken it, but it was removed from a very remote location in southern Libya. According to Stock Roker from the Nuclear Threat Initiative, a global security organization working on nuclear issue, he told that the quantity that appears to have been taken is approximately 1/10 of the amount of material stored at the facility, so it would be absolutely be seen missing. The agency stated that it was working to clarify what happened, how the nuclear material was removed, and where it was now. And now let's take a look at the top stars. Banatom factory contributing in employment opportunity. Potable water project in Devri Adhanis. Russia vows to respond proportionately to U.S. provocations. Tons of uranium gone missing from Libya site. It was me, Salim Brahana, with the news for tonight. Thank you for being with us.